Hi everyone, welcome back. If this is the first time you're tuning in today's episode, we are going to be talking about the continuation of our bridal series of videos that we're doing on YouTube. And I did quite a few episodes where I did maybe 9 different styles of bouquets in different color variations, and then I did different types of boutonnieres, and then I did a whole like how to construct some bridal accessories like the ring bearer pillow and the flower girl basket. And I didn't talk about what's really trending, and it's the headpieces, it's the floral crowns, it's the hair bands and hair pins, right? Of course, if I had a beautiful female model that I could have showcased this on, it would have been perfect. But because of having this to do on YouTube, I'm not limited, but I would say I don't want to invest in crazy things. I just want to get my point across and to inspire you guys. So these are what I'm going to work on. And these I pulled out from God knows where and how I bought these, where. And I was like, we haven't used these. The only way I can use this if I can repurpose this in some way. And what I thought I could do is take these and again, take them and do the same look, but in 3 different ways. And I'm going to take my wire cutters. And again, for the purposes of the videos, I'm doing it with a hot gun, but I would definitely do this with a cold glue gun. Not glue gun, cold glue, excuse me. Sometimes I speak real fast. So I'm cutting them off. And I'm doing the heads, and they're pretty heavy, yeah, compared to, but these are gorgeous garden variety of roses. That looks amazing once we put them on. So I got the roses done. I'm going to take the heads of the Helleborus, like this. I like the green and the lighter color and the darker color. Look at that, the variation. Looks like an ombre. And just the bloom in itself, it's so pretty. Right? I mean, I like the buds too. They can work really beautifully inside the... I like the different stages of the flowers as well, because that's what makes it more interesting, right? The phases, the same thing. These are faux poppies. I'm gonna take my wire cutters. And I actually like the leaves. The leaves match the same as the Helleborus if you look at it. So I'm not gonna throw those away. I'm gonna use them as much as I can. And once I'm done with maybe a couple more stems of poppies, I'm gonna go ahead and jump in and start this. See, that's so cool, right? The colors go beautifully together. So I'm doing like this yellow, green, pastel peaches, creamy peaches. That looks almost real, and it matches with the Helleborus. So quickly, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take some of these leaves and just gonna put them in between what's already in existence there. And the only reason I'm doing this is so I can break all this white. And I'm building something where I can, once I put in the flowers, it doesn't look like the same thing as we did. So I'm using it in 2 different directions. One going this way, one going that way. My God, yummy. Kind of sort of very Roman-esque And I'm using the smaller buds to the end, larger blooms in the center, just because I want it to kind of tailor down so it doesn't become too heavy. Look at that. So basically, I just used the structure of that piece that I had as my base, right? So I didn't have to do any wiring, any complicated work. Look how amazing this looks. To die for. To die for. To die for. I wish we had a model that we can put this on and it can look so stunning. Look at this. Let's do this sort of differently. And I'm just doing the hellebores right now. Just the hellebores, nothing else. And I think instead of mixing the two types of flowers, I think I'm just gonna do the poppies with the hellebores. Just love the way it looks together. How's that cool? Isn't that cool? It's cool. I'm gonna put a couple more. Again, taking a little bit of a hellebores, a little bit of poppies. So cool. And then the other one that I'm gonna do, this is the floral crown. The floral crown that I'm going to finish up. The other one, I'm just going to, how can I say this to you? I'm just gonna leave the rosettes, the silk rosettes on it. I have to hold on to it and then I'm rushing to finish the video. Look at this one. This one's cute too. Not as layered, but still gorgeous. And then finally, I'm gonna take the hair piece that's already with the rosettes and basically go in very softly. Some of the ribbons show, the ribbon flowers show, which I really honestly don't mind. It's a lot of flowers and it gets really heavy, so you better have some thick hair. I'm almost finished. Again, I would have preferred to use cold glue, but because we're shooting this and I want to do this quickly, we're adhering to the hot glue gun. And this is the last of the hair pieces. Isn't that gorgeous? So gorgeous. Anyways, let me clean up the table and then come back and see, there's always a last touch that we have to do. And then finish this video off. So I finish off these hair pieces. One was a floral crown, one was the hair piece, and one was like the headband. This obviously came out much heavier than I thought, so you gotta have some steel of a head to wear that one. So anyways, you would improvise that and make that a little bit smaller so you could actually wear it, but for demonstration purpose, it did its purposes. And then of course your crown, your floral crown. And what I did is I took hellebores and the poppies and basically glued them on. And then again, this was the mixture of fresh flowers with the with the hellebores and the garden roses and the poppies. I think this all three has quite different looks to it, but they all accomplish a certain style, meaning wearing flowers in their hair. And if I'm not mistaken, I think Egyptians are the first culture or civilization that actually used flowers for their ceremonies. So we should appreciate the Egyptians for the love of flowers and to use them in ceremonies. Again, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, please do so. And you can follow me on all social media. Thank you again. Peace out.